Welcome to the #1 day trading, futures trading show on the internet. There is nobody doing it like we're doing it, my friends. The $1 Million Man with the $1 Million Plan. If you're here to make money today, put your hands in the fucking air. Let's go. It's mega money Mondays. It's time to party. We're gonna make some money. I'm already up on the day. I went to the fucking gym this morning. I have been absolutely crushing it. There is nobody on the internet doing it like we do it. So go ahead, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. It's Monday. You can't spell money without Monday. Monday, money, something like that. I don't know. What's going on? Great weekend. I went to the Orlando Magic, LA Lakers game on Saturday night. Everybody told me that the Lakers were going to blow the Magic out of the water. And guess what happened? The Lakers got absolutely fucking demolished. It was a joke. I think the Magic were leading the final half by 20 points, like the whole game. It got to a point, like the last 5 minutes, they took LeBron out. They took all the top players out, and they put like the fucking D-list players in because they were like, there's no way in hell we're going to get there. So, yeah. Sorry about you. Here we go, baby. It's time to party. We had a pretty interesting overnight move. I went long here. You can see I ended up taking profit here on this long overnight right there. Kind of worked out perfectly for me up to this little push, and then we pulled back. So I'm happy that I took profit where I did. Pretty tight range overnight. So pretty good setup overnight. We had the 15-minute chart there. Right now looking at the 3-minute chart. But you can see here on the 15-minute chart kind of this setup overnight. I ended up buying down here when we were at the 177. So this reversal, we pulled back, we bounced off this level, and then I was thinking we would test the highs up there, and that's exactly what we did. We ended up testing that 224 area. Right now, the NASDAQ pushing back up here. There's two ways to look at it. You got two ways to think about it today. Very simple, right? We've had three. I mean, I don't even know how many days. How many days is that now? It's fucking, we've been absolutely going straight up here. Pull up the daily chart, maybe. Daily chart, come on. Maybe. Load it. Nope, not gonna load it. It just stuck. Fuck. This chart's moving. The other chart's not moving. Daily chart's frozen. Shit. All right, try it on this chart. All right, so let's look at the daily chart really quickly. Let's get just rid of the indicators, but look at the rebound so far. Basically what? All last week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, green. Pretty much what's happening is we're getting a massive squeeze here. You're getting the shorts who keep shorting, they keep shorting, and we just keep squeezing. So there's two ways to look at this. I think there's still very much potential that we squeeze up one more time today. Normally what happens is momentum from Friday ends up spilling over into Monday. You get the, you get the price action continue. The great part about it is we don't really have to predict which way we're going to go. We can just kind of see here where we're at. So if we look at recent, there's a little bit of resistance here, kind of that Friday high at the 228s. Got this daily candle right there, a little bit of resistance. And then kind of like up into this 300 level would be 377 up there. So I'm not going to sit here and tell you I think it's going to go straight to the moon. I'm not going to tell you I think it's going to go straight down. I really don't care which way it goes, to be honest. So yeah, I really don't care. We don't really care. So we'll see what happens once the market opens up here today, and that'll be what we're looking for. So right now, the dollar kind of pushed back up this morning, and a little bit of a double top pulling back right now. This daily chart looking very interesting. I think there is a bit of an argument to think that we might pull back a little bit here. Got to think, like, where are we going to trap? Who are we going to trap today? Are we trapping the bulls or are we trapping the bears? Who are we trapping? Anybody got a guess? I don't know. Put your we'll make a guess here in a minute. Oh, God. My chair's falling down. My chair's falling down. So you can guess. We'll guess. But right now, we're just waiting. We're watching. If we look at the hourly chart here. Hourly chart looking a little scary up here. But we did hold kind of overnight that 166 level. The problem is if the bears get too aggressive here, thinking that this is going to crash down, then it's just going to be one more squeeze on the day. So we've seen squeezes last, you know, for a week, 2 weeks. Just the market going up and up. When everybody's bearish, when everyone says it can't go higher, that's exactly when it goes higher. So, you know, that's the issue here. You could basically, you know, you could predict which way it's going to go all you want. But at the end of the day, the market's going to go whichever way it's going to go. Today we have CB Employment Trends Index at 10 o'clock. Numbers, nothing too important today. Fed Governor Cook speaking at 11. Not that important either. So nothing really out of the ordinary today in terms of numbers. Tomorrow we've got a couple Feds speaking. We got nothing. Should be next 2 days, not a lot of numbers here. There's a trade balance tomorrow at 8:30. Imports, exports tomorrow 8:30 in the morning. But I think pretty much on the week we had lots of numbers last week. So see how this plays out. Wednesday we've got some mortgage numbers, but nothing. Nothing really that crazy. Again, we got some Feds speaking throughout the week, FOMC members speaking throughout the week, but really the most important number of the week is going to be Thursday, initial jobless claims. So that could lead to some choppy action these first few days. Choppy action if we don't have anything that's really kind of moving the market. So if you guys haven't already hit that like button, you know what to do. It's free to like. We need 500 likes here on the stream. Patrick, I trade $25,000. How many contracts do you recommend trading on the NASDAQ? Well, if you spam it over and over, I will definitely answer it. I mean, I don't know. Fucking all in, baby. All in, all the time. What do you want me to tell you? Fucking max position. All in. I guess it depends on your strategy. If you're, if your stop loss is 50 points per trade, then you got to basically figure out, how much can you risk? It's not really about how many contracts. It's about how much can you risk. Depends on your overall strategy. If you're looking to make 100 points on every trade and you're looking to risk 50 points, well, then you probably can't fucking trade with 10 contracts. So 15 contracts, 100 point stop. Let's go. We'll see. Right now, looking at the 1 minute chart here, let's just kind of identify these levels from the 15-minute chart. We obviously have this Friday high up there. The Friday high was 228. 228 Friday high. Got a little bit of support down here in the 190s we bounced at. 190, 180 area. But beneath that, we've got the Friday low down there at the 160s. So right now, a little bounce, the push, and kind of hitting this trend line there on the 15-minute chart. NASDAQ, ES, both very similar right now, kind of just grinding up, pulling back, grinding up, pulling back. We'll see how she goes. We got 18 minutes here till the market opens. We still got plenty of time. It's anybody's bet. It's anybody's bet. Which way we gonna go? Up, down, all around today. All I know is the market's gonna fucking move, and all I need to do is just be on the right side of the move. All I gotta do is just be on the right side of the fucking move today, boys. I don't really care what happens. We're here to make money, not to be right. Ba-dum-bum-bum, ba-da-bum-bum-bum, ba-dum-bum-bum-bum. All right, all right, all right. Can we get some more likes here on the stream? We'll get this poll going here in a minute. And we'll get it going. We'll get it going. Turn it off. I hear myself. I hear myself. All right, all right. If you guys didn't watch the video that I posted over the weekend, very good video. Probably one of the best videos that I've made in a long time. And, you know, obviously, I always say all my videos are the best, but I would say the video that I put out on Sunday or Saturday was probably, yeah, one of the best videos I posted in a while. So if you haven't already watched it, make sure you check it out later on today. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And we're getting ready, baby. It's Monday. Mega Monday. Monday. Do. See how she plays out today. It's time to party. I'm looking for I don't know. I'm looking to be a little bit more kind of focus on targets today. Let some trades work out. I had a trade on Friday. I got like, I think close to 100 points on Friday on just 3 contracts. But put a trade on there on like right before I left on Friday because it just looked like it wanted to go higher, and I was like, fuck it, I'm just gonna set it and I'm gonna walk away. If it hits, it hits, and it ended up hitting. So I would like, you know, I think the evolution of trading when you become a better trader is, you know, trying to get those bigger moves, bigger rewards, same kind of stops, but just bigger rewards in general. So we'll see how this plays out. I do like the fact that we didn't get some big, massive move up the overnight. We're pretty much, you know, within this range here. So it should be a good open. We're going to kind of figure out what happens here. We got this nice range from the overnight. We've got that high up there, the 231s. You know, I would say right now we're kind of just sitting here waiting to see what plays out. We bounced off that 190 area there from earlier. If we can get above, you know, this 220 area, probably run that high. We look, let's see where my pivot points are here. I think this will show us. Oh God, wrong one. This one. Yeah. So pivot point, we got it. Look at that. Look at the range on those pivot points today. Massive range on those pivot points. 15-minute chart. We're holding there at the VWAP for now. The upside pivot point is about 100 points higher. The downside pivot point is about 100 points down. So, yeah, we're right there. Yeah. Big pivot point range. You see the pivot points being that spread out. It kind of is, you know, indicative to the idea that we are going to get a decent move here. Sometimes when those pivot points get too tight, you get too tight and you get that choppy action between the pivots. But right now, we are pretty much, what's funny is we are like right in the middle here. We are right between these pivot points. 200, pivot point to the upside up there at 296, pivot point to the downside 110. So we are 100 points up or down here today. So we'll do the poll. We get 500 likes. If you want to do the poll to see which way we're going up or down today, hit that like button. We'll do it here in the next few minutes. But right now, definitely keeping that in mind. Pivot points there to the upside. Think about it. Think about it. Would you just look at it? Would you just look at it? And that 300 level, looking at the daily chart. Yeah, it's not, I don't think it's not impossible here. You look back there, Tuesday, 17th of October, the high there on that daily candle was 309. So 309 up to that 340 area resistance there. But, you know, we're pretty much like there's a daily candle there with the resistance at 233. So I would say if we clear through that 233 level, we push up there, and 300 level would be a target. Can't get through there, well, then you've got this downside move possible. You know, see what happens if we pull back to this overnight low. We run the lows there. It's a tricky one either way. We're getting ready here, so. Restore my connections. What is this? Get more connect. I already have connection. I already got my connection. Look at the book map here. Let's look at the book map. What's the book map? Got 100 contracts up there at 15,300. 100 contracts up there. And you've got 100 contracts at 100, 12, 25, and 50. So most of the support liquidity down there to the downside. Buyers sitting down there. We'll see how that goes. So we will see. Pretty much, like I said, a very tight range overnight. You can see most of the volume traded overnight here. Pretty much like between 190 and that 215 area. That's kind of where we're at right now. And we'll see how this plays out. We got 11 minutes till the market opens. 11 minutes. 11 minutes. If the NASDAQ goes above 15,231, do you expect it to go higher? I mean, that would be the theory, basically, but we'll see. I feel like my charts are lagging right now, or something's weird going on. Yeah, this chart's like this chart's stuck. Not moving. Gotta restart. Gonna have to restart it. Gonna have to restart TradingView. Hold on. Hold on. The fuck's going on here? My voice is lagging. Not my voice. Is it really lagging? My voice is lagging. The Matrix. There's a glitch in the Matrix today. My voice is lagging. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Told you this thing's it's all simulated, man. The whole entire world we live in is just one big simulation. One big simulation. You guys are seeing the lag. The computers can't keep up. The algorithm can't keep up with me talking. I'm talking too quick for the algorithm. The algorithm's freaking out. Freaking out right now. All right, so right now the dollar is kind of sitting up at a breakout point. The NASDAQ kind of bouncing here. What is going to happen? We're right in the middle of pivot points, both on the NASDAQ and the QQQ. We got the QQQ pivot point 369.65 and to the downside 367.08 today. So pivot points, pivot points, pivot points. All right, let's do the poll. We need 10 more likes for the poll if you want it. Don't be afraid to hit it. We'll do up or down or chop at open. Let's see. It's always funny because we did the chop thing the other day and it ended up, we still were like 50-50 on the move. So the poll is live. Here we go. Do I know when the Topstep X platform will be released to the public? I do not know exactly. I think hopefully in the next week or so, maybe 2 weeks. I don't know exactly. Maybe I'm not even supposed to say. But I know they're working on it. I definitely know they're working on it. All right, right now the poll, 45% up, 25% chop, 30% down. Have I noticed any effects of the war on price action? Not really. It's not really a war. I mean, I know I wouldn't say it's a war. I mean, what's going on in the Middle East with Israel and Palestine and all that? I mean, that's been going on for 1,000 years. So I don't think people are that panicked over it. Likely to make a run at both pivots today. Both pivots, 100 points up, 100 points down. Let's go, baby. Money, 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 money. I like the sound of that. It pushes straight up and open. We get short. We sell it down here. That would be 200 points, actually. Question is, which way is it going to go first? I mean, I'm not downplaying what's happening in the Middle East. I'm just saying I don't think from a from a economic standpoint, there's just not really like, I don't think the USA's economy is going to hurt. If anything, you know, war will be good for the economy, as fucked up as that sounds, but I don't know. Don't really need to get into it either way. I don't think there is no answer. There is no perfect answer to what's going on in the Middle East. That's all it comes down to. Both sides, you know, have their beliefs, and it's just like how there's no answer to it. I think it's just fucked for everybody. And I say every time, hey, every time I tune out of the live stream, first thing I say is peace to the Middle East. So I'm all for peace, baby. Peace. Peace, peace, peace. All right, right now the poll, 45% up, 28% down, 27% chop. So the chop and the down people are tied right now. So I do think it's funny because I mean, at the end of the day, I do, not funny, but I do believe that most people that live, you know, in the Middle East, like the actual people, the people that live there, I would say the majority of them just like, you know, want to like not have to deal with wars and like people dying and stuff. They would rather, you know, just peace in general. I think it's, you know, the governments and the politicians and the leaders that really want to, you know, have a war. But I would say the majority of the people that live in these places are just like, hey, can we all just get along and be happy, you know? So did they pray for peace to beat Hitler? I mean, I think that's a little different. I think that's a little different. I don't know if we don't need to get into it right now, but I don't think that's a very good analogy. All right. We're getting close to the open here. We got 4 minutes here. It is all about the money. It's all about the politics. It's all about I mean, it's all posturing as well. You get the governments, the politicians, the leaders, everybody just making threats, not going to do anything. It's like Iran making threats, you know, oh, what's Iran going to do? Like, come on. Let's all be honest. USA. There's a reason that USA has the biggest military in the world. You know, there's not one country on this planet that could really go toe to toe with us. And it's just there. That's how it is. We've spent the most money. We've got the baddest motherfuckers around. I mean, salute to the, you know, USA military. I've always been a big supporter. Anybody that's willing to put their life on the line to protect freedom. Freedom ain't free. I'm all for it. Do I support war? No, but hey, can't have happy times without hard times. And luckily, I live in the greatest country in the world. I'm not proud of the politicians, but I do believe that most Americans are good people, and America is made up of the people, not of the politicians. The politicians, the fucking president, all those people, they're idiots. But when it comes down to the actual people, my neighbors, the people I got to deal with every day, I think most of them are pretty good people. And I would say most Americans don't want a war either. I don't think anybody really wants a fucking war other than the idiots that are politicians. China. I mean, hey, China's pretty wild. I do like, I've worked with a lot of people from China as well, back when I did the DJI drone stuff. So same thing there. I think, you know, most of the Chinese people they're fun people. It's just the politicians that fuck everything up. Got to blame the politicians for fucking everything up. I don't understand what's going on in Israel. I don't. I haven't said that I do understand. But I do know that war and that they've been fighting in the Middle East over Israel and over Jerusalem since the dawn of time. The fucking Crusades. I mean, it was like, how many people have died over that area of land? You know? I've read the Bible a few times. I know about I went to Catholic school. I know about the Bible. I know about the Crusades. All right. We got 42 seconds here. Let's go. Right now we're just waiting. Looking, people are asking what I'm looking for. We're just going to be waiting for something to look juicy here. This market opens up. Make some money. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. I'm telling y'all, it's going down. All right. Hey, if it goes down, it goes down. We'll see. What are you going to do? Go short right now and then hope and pray? Go long right now, hope and pray? No. We're going to let this market do what it's going to do here at open, and then we're going to take a trade. Some money. And here we go. LOL at the guy that said the market is going straight down at open. It just rips up 20 points. It never fails. It never fails. It's comedy. Hey, if you guys ever wanted to fuck it, it's like, it's just the best comedy in the world. Look at this thing. It went straight up at open. That's fucking hilarious. Oh man, look. What happened? Where'd he go? Where the guy said that I'm telling y'all, it's going straight down. You can't make this shit up. You literally can't make it up. It's fucking comedy, guys. Are you kidding me right now? Welcome to fucking the internet. All right, so we need to wait for something. Oh my God, look at this right now. The breakout there. Up 30 points since open. Since the guy said we're going straight down at open. It never fails. Fade the chat. Fade the chat. Well, I definitely don't want to chase this move straight up right here, even though it's still going straight up, but we're taking out that fucking high already. We took out yesterday's, Friday's high there. Now we want to see what happens with this liquidity up there. There's a bunch of liquidity up at the 50s sitting up there, so if they can hold that 2030 level, she'll probably go straight up to the 50s there. Got to get right through the 40s there, go right to the 50s next. Getting stuck for now. That's that resistance area. Need a pullback here. There's the pullback. 25s. Need to be patient here, people. We can pull back into this 215 area. I like that maybe for a long. See, there's that straight back pullback now. Maybe pull 210s or so. Bounce right off to 15 area. See if we rip this up. Basically want to see a quick reaction here. This thing gets stuck. It's going to go lower first. Dollar kind of at a double bottom right now. NASDAQ pulling back here, 215. Big old trap there at open looking like. Now back up, holding this 215 level, that previous area of resistance there from earlier. It needs to start shooting straight back up here. The ES trying to hold, push back up. NASDAQ trying to hold here at the 215s for now. Dollar straight up here. Be careful. There's a bunch of liquidity up there at the 250s for now. Bunch of liquidity down there at the 200s as well. And now pulling straight back down here. The dollar, if it needs to get back above this kind of breakout, get back above the 220s here for the NASDAQ. Trouble for now there. Back up there, 225. Dollar pulling back here. Will this run the highs now? 230s up there next to get through. The ES having trouble. The NASDAQ trying to push back up. Need that ES. The ES right now not looking too hot, so I'm worried about the NASDAQ pushing straight back up here. It's going to be another trap. Need that ES to come back alive. Look at the ES right. NASDAQ straight back up there. 30s, 30, 40s. Oh my baby Jesus. We're going straight up. 40s up there next. Can we get through the highs? 50 liquidity all the way to the upside there. 50 liquidity up there. 50, 50s, 50s. I'm targeting 50s here for a push. Straight up to the 40s again. Go right through that high there. Go to the 50s next. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Up there to the 40s. Should try to get right through the 40s here. The ES is squeezing back up. NASDAQ trying to push through the 40s right there. Really nice move here. 50s up there next. 50s, 50s, 50s. Beautiful. Through the 40s now. Oh, baby. We're going 50s. We're going 50s here. We held that low there, that 15 area, right back up there to the 50s now. Looking for this to go straight through the 50s. Can we do it all the way through there? This is the 2-minute chart. Gonna kind of sell a little bit right there. If I can sell some more, pushing through the 50s here. Selling into the ask right here to lock in some profit from the 10s for a nice 40. There we go. We still got 2 more contracts here. Can we get through the 55s next? Take some profit up there. Beautiful. Getting filled. Look at that. Look at that. Through the 50s, baby. Go a little bit more on it. I got 1 contract left. I'm going to see if I can keep a runner going. We can push up here today. Got my stop at the 31s now. We're up $13,780 right now. I like it. I like it. I like it. Like it. Beautiful setup there. Like I said, I wanted to see that 15 area there on the chart. We had that set up to pull back into the 15s. We held right there off of the lows. We pushed back up and right up there to that liquidity that we identified, the 50 level. We talked about that 50 area before the move happened. So nice little setup there. I like it. I like it a lot. And we're pulling back here now. Nice little sell into that 50 push. And we'll see if there can be some more opportunities. There's always more opportunities coming, my friends. Get ready for it. I'm going to move my stop up right here to the 43s now. I might get stopped out, but lock in at least. Lock in there on that last contract. So beautiful. We might pull back here, look for another opportunity to get long again on this pullback, maybe into the 20, 30 level, see what happens there. Phoenix bought 2 contracts at the 215 level and held it all the way to the 256s. Let's go. Obviously, this is not financial. Don't go chasing waterfalls, but I felt like that was a pretty good opportunity to get long down there. Nice little $13,000 day so far. All right, all right. So now we're just kind of seeing if we can pull back. I like to see this 30 level one more time, but don't always get what we want. The problem is, if you look at the ES is kind of just stuck there. I don't like where the ES is sitting at. Look at the ES 15-minute chart right now. I'll pull this up for you. Look at the ES right now on the 15-minute candle. ES just can't get above that level. We're sitting at the bottom of that 15-minute range on the ES. So I don't like buying breakouts on the NASDAQ when the ES can't get moving. It did move up for a minute and then got denied there and pulled right back into that low of that 15-minute candle. So let's see what happens here. I do think there's still plenty of room to push here. Now the question is, can we go? The ES 4,403 pivot point up there. And like I said, the NASDAQ's got that pivot point to the upside there at the 15,300. So let's see how she plays. Right now, bouncing here off the 30s again. Yeah, I really don't like the ES right now. The ES is just stuck. The ES, that 15-minute candle just turned red. 15-minute candle is now red. The NASDAQ's not going to go to new highs when the ES is breaking to the downside. So keep that in mind. Don't go chasing waterfalls. We need the ES to do something here. It's right now, this is not looking good. Not looking pretty on the ES. I mean, look at this candle on the ES right now. We got 2 minutes left. So in case, I mean, it's just like fucking not pretty looking. That does not look very bullish right now on the ES here. So look at that thing. Just sitting there. It's just sitting there. I don't like it. I don't like it. Be patient. We're already up on the day. No reason to give back profits. Told you it would chop, chop, chop. Guess what? Told you you get banned, banned, banned. Told you get banned. Chop, chop, chop. Banned. God. Anybody that ever comments in the chat, I told you. No, you're getting banned for sure. I mean, the ban list is in the thousands. I've banned more people than most people have watching them live on YouTube. So we got 2,800 people watching right now. Let's fucking go, boys and girls. We are up on the day. $13,000. 13,000. 13K. And once again, squeezing back up here. Oh my God, the chop is real. The chop is real. For people asking, I do not have my live account yet. I just have this express funded account. I have another express funded account. You can see on the day right now, up 13,530 here in the express funded account. So even though I have the live account with Topstep, I can still trade through the express funded accounts, the ones that I have open still. So I have 3 express funded accounts, and we've got this one up to 13,530. Let's go, baby. What's crazy is this account was only $3,354 there on Friday. So nice little, you can see, nice little push back here. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, we'll do a giveaway once we get to 1,000 likes. We got 2,800 people watching right now. I love to see it. Thank you guys for tuning in. We are live every day here on YouTube. Maybe another breakout coming here. Another breakout coming. Another breakout. I'm like a fucking DJ. I could be a beatboxer maybe. Little beatboxer. See, I just don't like this right now. I'm gonna tell you exactly why. Look at the ES. The NASDAQ is setting up here for possibly squeeze back up, but I just do not like where the ES is sitting at here, boys. Look at the ES. I mean, it just looks like a trap. Looks like someone's gonna get fucked here. I don't want to get fucked today. I'm trying to not get fucked. I don't want to get fucked. I do not want to get fucked. You know? My goal in life is not to get fucked. NASDAQ just chopping around here. Will they squeeze it all the way through the 35s again for another breakout potential? If the ES can hold that 80 level, maybe the NASDAQ wants to go. We'll find out today on Patrick Wieland live on YouTube. Welcome to the party, my friends. Yes, yes, yes. We are doing it live every day, 9:15 a.m. Tune in for the best trading on YouTube. Up there to the 30s again. Stuck for now. The ES just can't get going. The NASDAQ trying to push up here. The dollar pulling back here. Will we go one more time through the highs? The $1 million question now. That 200 level is sitting down there. Uh-oh. 200, 15,200 down there. Dollar's dumping. The ES trying to hold at the 80s. I don't like the NASDAQ below 220 here. You know what I mean? I don't like it right here, pulling back like that. I don't like it pulling back here. See what happens at the 200s now. They can hold that 200 level, but the ES needs to bounce. Dollar pulling back here. Looks like they want to run this downtown. They get through 200s. Not good for the bulls. Through the 200s, you've got kind of like right down there to the 80s quickly, so be careful. buying this dip here just yet. The ES is breaking the downside through that 15-minute opening range. See the 15-minute opening range there on the ES for now, breaking the downside. 200 holding up for now. NASDAQ back up. The chop is real. Chop or die. Bounced off that 203 level from earlier. NASDAQ trying to break this 15-minute opening range right now. Does it happen? Do we move down to the 80, 90s next? Start selling off here? Down there to the 200s again. Dollar pulling back. NASDAQ holding the lows. The ES straight back up. Double bottom looking on the ES for now. I want to see what happens here with the 200s now. NASDAQ kind of holding up here for now. The ES holding up. Little fake out there on the 15-minute setup there. On the ES, back up there above the 80s for now. If the ES can get back up like 82, 83, I think it'll start pushing back up here. So long, and then the NASDAQ trying to hold the 200s here now. So a couple different ways to look at it. Couple different ways to look at it. We could be this little bounce breaky outy here. Need that NASDAQ to hold the 200s. NASDAQ needs to get back above like 30s to try to get that push up there. Trouble on the QQQ. Below the VWAP right now on the QQQ. I think the NASDAQ, we're right there at the VWAP. So we're bouncing off the VWAP here on the NASDAQ for now. Dollar popping up here. The NASDAQ, the ES just stuck at this level for now. I think if the dollar breaks out here, the NASDAQ's going to sell through 200. Front row. Down there to the 200s one more time on the NASDAQ. See if we'll sell right through 200s, move down there to the 80s. So the dollar breaking out. NASDAQ just stuck here at the 200s for now. Need that now. You got to get away from the NASDAQ. Get away from this fucking 200 level on the NASDAQ. Need the ES to do something. The ES just can't get moving here. NASDAQ's holding the 200s. It's a lot of pressure here on the NASDAQ right now. We just cannot get through this area. Just need to get starting to move back up here. Like I said, that 30 area kind of needs to get through again on the NASDAQ here. So many lines on this chart right now. I don't know why there's so many lines. 3-minute chart showing that 200 support here for now. Little trap below the 200s, back up there again to the 10s. The ES back above the 81s. Like I said, if the ES can get back above, I think 84, NASDAQ will try to push to the highs again. Let's see. You got to get above that 2030 level for the NASDAQ to get moving here. I basically just want to get through 20s. Stuck there again. The ES, the NASDAQ, both trying to push back up here. Dollar also trying to break out. So need the dollar to crash down here. Dollar pulling back. Tricky. NASDAQ trying to push. We got to get above that 220 level. Want to kind of clear out this these wicks here. Basically want to clear out these wicks in this area right here. That little trap wick right there, 222. Clear it out, and then probably it's got up here 33, 30s. Looking good. Let's get this squeezies. Ugh, I got too many water bottles on here. Straight through the 20s now. Beautiful. All right, all right. How high can we go? Starting to push back up here. We got to get through that 84 level for the ES breakout here. 3-minute chart right now. Holding that 200 level. A little bit of a trap below the 200s. Push it right back up to the 20s here. Dollar pulling back. I got to go to the bathroom. In the dark. I probably shouldn't be drinking. Well, I probably should, but I fucking drink like a gallon of water before I go live on YouTube. It's hard. All right, it's difficult. I get thirsty. I work out in the morning and then I drink a bunch of water. Gotta be healthy. Look at this push back up. The 84 level for the ES. Got to get through there. And then I think we might have a squeeze happening, my friends. Get through the 30s here on the NASDAQ. Let's see what happens. Get through the 30s. That key level right now for the NASDAQ to get through there. The ES again stuck there at the fucking 83s, pulling back. I go pee quick. Quick. I'm a quick peer. Ooh. Ooh. We got 2,800 people here on the stream. If we get some more likes, we'll do a giveaway here. Don't be afraid to hit that like button. It's free to like, by the way. Again, the NASDAQ stuck here at the 30s. The ES back up there. She's trying to get through. I think the ES wants to get that 84 break here. There's a bunch of liquidity on the book map at the 30s to get through. Sitting there, look at that 30 level. 140 contracts. I think we got to test it. We're going to have to test it. Will they go right to the 30s here is the question. After the 30s, there's not much above us. I've got my eye on you. I've got my eye on 30s. Got my eye on you. Come on, 30 break. Let's go. They're going right to the 30s there. They're seek, destroy, seek and destroy, seek and destroy. 30, 30, 30s. 30 for 30. Seek and destroy. Trying to push to the 30s here. All that liquidity just wants to get touched. Just wants to get touched, I'm thinking. There it is. It's getting touched. It's getting doot. Trying to get it. Dollar pulling back. The ES got to get through the fucking 84s. Let's just go through it. Through the 30s. Sometimes the market does what I tell it to do. Sometimes it doesn't. You know, I can't do everything, people. I can only be one man. I'm only one man here, people. I'm trying my best for you. We get through the 30s here. Let's see what happens. The NASDAQ curling back up here. 30 is going to be a key level to break. $32 30s. Dollar dumping here while pulling back here. See if the NASDAQ's going to go through 30s. The ES stuck there at that 84 level again. They're going to make us really work for it today, they said. Straight back down. Oh, baby Jesus. Look at this thing. So annoying when it does this shit. 30 held down. Dollar just bounced back up. The ES just can't get through that 84 level, so that's why we're in trouble here. And pulling straight back down to VWAP there again at the 210 area on the NASDAQ. And back down to the lows again. Say, why? Why do you do this to me? NASDAQ down there to the 200s again. Look at that, straight down. They take the stairs on the way up and the elevator on the way down here. Dropping 20 points back down to this 200 level. Not good for the bulls here. I think they got to run this low now, huh? This 88 level. Run that low there. There's 90 liquidity sitting down there. We got to a high there of 28.25. 28.25. Come on. Dollar is going straight up. The ES, the NASDAQ, still trying to hold this level here for now. And the NASDAQ once again bouncing here off the 200s. We're at a range, boys. We're at a range here. And once again, bounced off the 200s. The ES holding the 80s for now. The NASDAQ holding the 200 level. All eyes on the dollar here, I think. That was a nasty dump from that 30 level. But still just stuck here. The ES has that 78 level. If we get through that 78 level on the ES, we should get the move down on the NASDAQ here. Holding here again at the 200s. The ES can't get through 78s. And we're just stuck. Welcome to Mega Choppy Mondays. Not sure what to do here. Dollar just pulled back. The ES holding up there at the 78s again. Back straight up. Can't make it up. Look at this thing. Back up to the 81s on the ES. Held the 78s there. Dollar back down. E. All the rest. Pretty much at this point, we just got to get above 30s for this to be like a breakout long opportunity. As of right now, we're just stuck in this range between 200 and 30 on the NASDAQ. So not much you can really do here. I just wanted to make $1 million a day. What happened? Fuck. And back down again. I was before. Up. See, even like that, like, I saw someone said they go short. Someone shorted right here at the 15s, but it's like, look at that. It just squeezes right back up. So I don't know. I don't like it. The chop is real. Dollar is breaking out here. The NASDAQ, the ES pulling back. In theory, this should sell down. In theory. Right? If you had to make a bet, you would say that this should sell down here. But we've been wrong before. We know how to be wrong sometimes. There's just too much liquidity here at the 200s right now holding this up. Can we get through it? 90s down there. The ES just finally got through the 78s. The ES straight down 76s now. The NASDAQ down there to the 90s. If we get this move, I think we could possibly get through this 87 level. Or we just chop it back up, possibly as well. We got to get through 87s, and then it should be like a clear kind of drop down into this 60 level. Dollar straight up here. NASDAQ sitting at the 90s. Bunch of liquidity there. They're buying right there. Look at that. 119 contracts, 120 contracts sitting there for now. Gonna take some sellers to get through there. Sellers are not being too confident here right now. Not a lot of volume. Very light volume sitting down here. Like barely any buys or anything happening here. And look at the volume at the bottom of the bar. You can't really see it right now, but there's no volume here. Holding there at the 90s still. Dollar is going straight up right now, by the way. If you haven't noticed, dollar straight up here. The ES pulling back pretty hard. This should sell through 90s. There's that 90 crack. Crack in the 90s. Dollar straight up here. We got a pivot point on the NASDAQ all the way down there at the hundreds. 112 area. If this thing starts selling, it could start moving quickly. I like this 60 area down here for some reason. This is previous day low from Friday down there. We can run that low from Friday. 74 area on the ES there. Needs to go though. Dollar still straight up. The ES and NASDAQ selling down here. The overnight lows here at the 85s. Gotta take that 85 out. $80 liquidity down there. And holding the lows there for now. Who would have thought? And straight back up to the 200s again. Wow. There is absolutely no follow through here today. You gotta love it. Market said, today we're not going nowhere. And the NASDAQ back above 200s here. Classic. Straight back up here through the 200s again. All right, all right. Now what happens? I don't know. Dollar pulling back here. All right. Back up here above the 200s again. The ES and NASDAQ bouncing back up quickly. Look at that. A rip back up here. 230 coming, I think. What do you think? We go right to the 230s, just rip this thing straight back up now, and then go to the highs. Volume coming in here on the QQQ. Got some volume coming in on the NASDAQ here as well. Shorts getting stopped out there on that squeeze back up. Today's going to be a good day to go to Chipotle early. I'll be the first one at Chipotle today. Get the fuck out of here dealing with this. I got no time for this. And chop. Oh yeah, we got 1,000 likes here on the channel. That's on the video. Let's do a little giveaway while we're waiting for the choppy chopperson. At this point, we really just got to get back above that 30 level. Until we do that, I think it's just, you know, sit back and be patient kind of thing. There's a link there in the chat if you guys want to sign up for a giveaway here today. It's real simple, easy. Check it out. The dollar pulling back very nicely here. The ES, the NASDAQ, both kind of just stuck at this sweep, but hitting this trend line, stuck. We got a nice little reversal candle there back on the 3-minute chart, but we got to get through all this. This is a battle zone. A lot of landmines in here. That's what this is. The fucking war zone for price action. This is nothing but a war zone through this level here. So the shorts can easily be adding into this, thinking that there's resistance, they can hold it down there at this level. So you want to get through pretty much here to here through these wicks, and then like even 30s up there. So the war zone, this is a key level to get through here. I'm with you. Ooh. Ooh. Wait to see if we can get through here. Just gotta get through there. Gotta do it, man. Gotta do it. Maybe not, though. The ES back up there to the 80s. The dollar's pulling back here. We kind of ran into a nice little high there on the dollar. Nice little pullback there. So as long as the dollar starts cooperating and pulling back here, we could get this kind of move back up. But what we don't want to happen is the dollar to kind of put in a lower or a higher low right here. Kind of want the dollar to get down into this. So all eyes on the dollar here. DXY. If you aren't looking at the DX, look at this thing right now. Oh my god. The 15-minute chart on the NASDAQ is right back up there into that opening range. That 30 level up there to get through. 30s on the book map here. Are we going to get through the war zone? The market's in there fucking dodging and like fucking landmines everywhere. Just, fuck. Watch where you step at, people. Fucking war zone here. The shorts and the bears and the bulls are in there just fucking, bullets are flying, fucking bombs are going off. Fuck. It'd be funny if like you could actually, like, what if the bulls and the bears, what if we were all like in a big gymnasium, we're playing dodgeball, you know, like you got the bears over there, you fucking throw an order at them, got him. Another fucking bear, got that guy, fucking dodgeball, day trading dodgeball. That's what I imagine's happening right now with the algorithm. The market's just fucking trying to battle this. Oh, and the battle does not look good. Still just cannot get through there. So 84, they do not want, whoever's fucking selling 84s on the ES is being a real asshole today. Look at that 84 level, just a fucking wall of China on the 84 level. Crazy. Just cannot get through there. 15-minute candle, denied. 84 for the last 45 minutes. 84s. They said, nope, it ain't happening today, boys. Literally, think about it. There's fucking the ultimate algorithm sitting there fucking playing dodgeball right now, just being like, just pegging. Gotcha. All the bulls trying to fucking escape the fucking madness and just getting got him. And once again, the battle zone wins. The dollar doing exactly what we did not want it to do. Look at the dollar here now pulling back, pushing back up, putting in that higher low. That's what we were worried about right there. Look at it. It's doing exactly what we did not want it to do. Fucking A. And I just don't really know what to do here. I was hoping that we were going to just blast through that fucking zone, but you can see, once again, denied there, so. Not much you can really do here, unless you're trying to take a short here and maybe looking for a move down, but I don't even like that idea. I think either way, you're going to get fucked. It's going to get fucked both ways here. It's going to be a fuck. Fuck. It's going to be a fuck. Fuck fest. Like, are we going to dump down here now? Like, oh, fuck me. And looks like we're moving down here again. Maybe. Maybe nothing. Maybe we don't go anywhere. And this is exactly why I love trading. Just gotta love it, you know? If you don't love trading, you just gotta love it. You gotta love it. It's just so much fun. You can do everything right? You can show up, you can have all your back testing, have all your data, have everything, have the plan, have it all laid out. And then this happens and you're like, fuck. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter what you prepare for. You can draw all your lines on the chart, fucking everything. And you just like, nope, I'm fucked. It's fucked. So. You can't make money when the market's going up and down 10 points. My opening big trade of the morning was this move right here off of this pullback. We talked about this big move up at open. We needed that pullback into the 15 level. We got it. And then there was that push to the upside up there to the 250s. So as of right now, I think it's just better to go to fucking Chipotle. It ain't happening right now, that's for sure. Go Chipotle, eat a Chipotle bowl instead of getting fucked. I woke up this morning, I told myself, I was like, Patrick, today I do not want to get fucked. Not today. Not today, NASDAQ, not today. The problem is, you know what's going to happen. If I walk away now, the market's going to go up 100 points. If I don't walk away, it's going to go sideways for the rest of the day. Either way, I'm fucked. Either way, it's fucked. There is no way to win here. The market is going to do exactly what it's going to do, and it's not going to pay me today. Unless maybe we go through here. I don't know. Dollars, what's going to happen? Everyone's like, walk away, Patrick. Please do it. Do it. Okay, I'll do it for you guys. Just JK, I'm not going to walk away. I'm holding. I'm going all in. If we can, there's two ways to look at this. If we can get back above this VWAP here, get some candles to close up here, I think we'll squeeze up. We hit that pivot point there earlier, this QQQ. This is a very similar setup to the other day that we had where we were kind of just going sideways on the Qs, and then we finally got that big breakout. I mean, the ES isn't really giving it up. The NASDAQ's not really giving it up. It's just kind of little pullbacks here and there. I don't know if the bulls are just loading up for another big squeeze here today. But I know we're only 1 hour into it, but you know, I like to be I normally only trade an hour a day. I try to trade an hour, maybe 2 hours a day here. Definitely getting tight though. It's like it's definitely looking squeezy. I think through that 30 level, the bears are fucked because everybody that's shorting these, shorting here, they got to get stopped out and it's going to want to run. So if the ES can get through 84s, it's game over for the shorts. 84s here on that level right there. The wick. Just get through there and then it's over for the fucking bears. But as of right now, they are winning as long as we're below that level on the ES. So sadness. I just wanted you to know that, baby, you're the best. I'm singing to the NASDAQ, not singing to you guys. Don't get excited. Come on, NASDAQ, just do something for me. Anybody watch the Magic versus the Lakers game on Saturday? Yeah, it was a blowout. Orlando Magic just fucking putting LeBron. LeBron was having a fucking night. Just could not get it going. He was arguing with the refs, arguing with the Magic coach, arguing with the players. It was hilarious. I was just sitting there and like, you suck. Get better, LeBron. Watch me on YouTube. I'll teach you how to be better. Does LeBron look as tall? I mean, he's fucking, what is he, 6'9"? Pretty tall. The market ain't going to move as expected. Just sit on your hands until Powell speaks. That's all you got to do? Wait, so what you're telling me is I just wait for Powell to speak and then the market will do what I expect it to do. That is the most wisdom I have ever read in the chat on YouTube before. Powell does not speak today. Sometimes I read the chat and I think to myself, I said, man, how am I so much smarter than the people in the chat? Not all the people, but a lot of the people. How is it that I am that much smarter? I mean, my IQ is off the charts. They don't even have a number for my IQ. It's like 160 and then it's like Patrick's just in fucking outer space. Here we go. Once again, we gotta go. Gotta go. Stuck there again. The dollar is going sideways. The NASDAQ. I don't know what they're waiting for. The NASDAQ and the dollar and the ES, everything going sideways right now. Something's got to break. Somebody's got to break here. I don't know who's going to break, but something's got to break. It's going to be my fucking computer here in a minute when this thing doesn't move. Something's got to break. Right? Something's got to break. Nope. JK, once again, this is crazy. It's not even like fun chop. It's just like not even moving chop. Like trading the overnight right now. We're trading the overnight session. That's what we're trading. It's like trading overnight. I had better price action last night trading. This is terrible. Trying to be patient. Trying to be patient. Oh. Wow. They did it again. Did it again. Bad. Real bad right now, friends. It's real bad right now, friends. like watching paint dry. Welcome to trading the NASDAQ. Like watching paint dry today. Have you ever watched paint dry? It is not fun. And that's pretty much what we're doing right now. We are watching this shit dry. For the last, what, hour now, just going absolutely sideways. If it breaks above 230, I mean, I think it's got to go at that point. So that's what I'm thinking. I mean, I think what we really need to see here is the ES. If the ES can get above 84s, then something should happen. But as of right now, there is just zero movement here. So the dollar pushing back up. This is probably going to pull back here again now. Ugh. JK, now it's going to pop up here. Do the same. It's going to pop with the dollar. The ES is literally moving 1 point up and down between 78 and 80 right now. Pretty fun. I feel like it's got to be like just a ticking time bomb here. A ticking fucking time bomb to just squeeze. But what do I know? What do I fucking know? I don't know anything. I'm gonna close my eyes and see it go straight up. Nope. Just kidding. And again, stuck. Look at the, I guess the ES is just stuck here at the VWAP for now. Just cannot get through there. VWAP, tapping the VWAP there. Look at that, right back down there. Wow. These candles moving from 79 to 80. Not bad. This is worse than overnight trading. Overnight trading, you at least get like something happening. This is like, you can't even, what are you gonna do? You're gonna short at the top of this candle, cover at the bottom of that candle, fucking go long at the top of this candle. Oh my God. Is day trading worth it? Probably not. Not on a day like today, that's for sure. Day trading's a scam. Don't do it. It's too hard. Give up now. Give me your money. Buy. Sell. Someone's got to lose so I can make money. Come on, guys. I need you to help me here. I need liquidity. Someone's got to start shorting. Get shorts. Someone got to get squeezed here. I need some dumb money. Where's the dumb money at? Give me that dumb money, baby. Dumb money. Now we're looking for these shorts just to get fucking obliterated through this 30 level here. This is what I want to see it. Just a big old boner candle straight to the fucking upside, boys. Think we can do it? 25, 24s. 40 liquidity up there. Oh my. This is crazy. Crazy talk. You'll never get, I mean, go ahead and take a picture of this because you very rarely do you see the fucking NASDAQ moving a total of fucking 5 points per 3-minute candle. It's like history in the making right now. You're gonna squeeze. You're gonna squeeze it. This thing's just, it's gotta do something. Something has to break. Someone's gotta get fucked here. Either the bears or the bulls. But I'm thinking the bears are about to get fucked. And it's not gonna be me. You know what I mean? Someone's got to get fucked here, boys. Someone's always getting fucked in the market. That's the thing. You got to figure out who's getting fucked. Is it the bears or the bulls about to get fucked? No way. Do not stop right there. Go right through the 30s. Just do it. Oh, that's magical. We draw a line on the chart and the market obeys it. They're trying to push it. The dollar is pulling back. I don't see how this doesn't go through the 30s here unless I just fucking go ahead and say I'm the dumbest person on the internet. Thank you. I told you it was going to go through the 30s. I told you. Here's the fuckery. I told you. Someone's got to get fucked. They got fucked. The Bears got fucked good. That 84 level on the ES break-in. The NASDAQ straight up here. Got 50 liquidity up there next. Will they finally let this thing run? Let it run. Let it run. Up there to the 40, 42s. Let's go through the 30s, straight up there to the 43s now. I'm not even going to say I told you so. I called it. I said that I would. There's no way this doesn't go through the 30s. I just said that. I don't need to even say I told you so because I said it live before the move happened. I called it. I literally said if it doesn't go through the 30s, I'm the dumbest person on the internet. All right, I made that bet with myself. So somebody said they had a buy limit, caught 500 today. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. No, thank you. All right, well, now what we want to kind of see is some pullback here, I would say, right? A little bit of pullback, maybe. Wait for that next setup here. We're finally moving. I'd love to see that 30 area tested again. That'd be nice. You see here on the QQQ finally getting back above the VWAP there. So this is what we talked about this before the move even happened, by the way. We talked about getting back above the VWAP there on the Q and then having that pivot point up there. So it worked out beautifully. Thank you, thank you. I'll be here all day. Anytime if you have any questions, let me know in the chat. But Patrick, how did you do it? Pull back to the 30s. I agree, Peter Parker. Jenner, you're short biased. I don't really have a bias either way. I just look at the price action. If it goes above a certain level, that's when I want to get long. If it goes below a certain level, that's when I want to get short. But I try to not have a bias. I used to try to have a bias, and it never really helped me. I wasn't like a better trader because I had a bias, to be honest. I'm a much better trader not trying to worry about bias, but worrying more about price action. You know? Why is futures better than Forex? I have a video on my channel talking about that if you want to check it out. Yeah. Dollar trying to push back up here. We're looking to see if we get a little bit of a pullback here. Kind of pull back, test this 30 area again. That was big resistance. We love seeing those areas of resistance turn into support. Now, it would be nice. Will it happen? Doesn't always happen that way, but are you up already? Money. Yes. Money, up. Up, money. I gotta go to the freaking bathroom again. God damn it. I gotta pee every 5 minutes. Like a racehorse. Like a racehorse up in here. Wow, would you look at that? Look at that pullback. Are you guys impressed? Does it impress you? Do people get impressed? Or is it just like, you're kind of like, all right, Patrick, we get it. You're good. We don't need to be. Don't tell us anymore how good you are. We get it. We know. Somebody with Chinese letters in their name, I don't know what that name is, says that they learned so much. They're up $2,000 today. I do not speak the Chinese, but I do appreciate the Chinese. Actually, if you're are you from China? Real China? I'm looking for a China person. Someone straight from China. Someone that speaks Mandarin fluently. If you actually speak Mandarin fluently. Taiwan. I know it's not the same. Anybody speak anybody live in China? Send me an email. I gotta talk business with you. Rachel inspired me to commit to trading full time. Rachel has commitment issues. They speak Mandarin in China, in Taiwan. No, I need to talk to some people that live in mainland China. If you live in mainland China, I just want to have a little chat with you. If you could help me out, I have a couple questions. If you could, you can send me an email. It's just patrick@marketflowtrader.com. Don't spam me if you don't live in China. But if you live in China and you can actually help me out, you might be able to make some money with me. So go ahead and send me an email. Wow, great thing we did not buy this dip right here. Look at that thing just pulling straight back down there. Sometimes you gotta know when to buy and sometimes you gotta know when to not buy, people. You know what I mean? You gotta know when to hold them. You gotta know when to fold them. Oh, go yet. All right, I'm gonna give it like another fucking 13. I'm gonna trade till 11, but I'm not gonna, unless something really crazy happens here. I think I might be done for the day, but we'll see. I don't want to give back any profits, so just not the day that I want to be trading. Because I know the thing is, like, give me a good trend day, I can fucking take 20 grand out of this market. Give me this type of price action, I get fucked. I'm not a chop trader, that's for sure. Look at this thing, just straight back down there. Problem now is, like, if you short here, it's gonna just fucking rip your face off again. Azrat, you're a pro. Pro at getting banned. Anybody who calls himself a pro in the chat automatically gets banned. You guys will learn very quickly what gets you banned and what doesn't get you banned. Basically, calling yourself a pro, saying I told you so, or basically saying anything stupid, you get banned. It's that simple. And I'm okay with it. People are like, Patrick, why do you ban the people that watch you? I'm like, well, because, you know, someone's got to. Someone's got to do it, you know? Someone's got to put them in their place. I think I've probably banned more people than Nutty Bar has watching him. He's got 100 people watching him right now, and I think I've banned at least 1,000 people. Oh, I'm a bad. I might have banned more people from the chat than most people have watching their YouTube channel live, so I don't know if that's a flex or what, but I think it's pretty cool to say. How are things with ICT? I mean, he's quiet. I can't wait to get paid $100,000. Anybody who thinks that ICT is going to win the Robins Cup next year, you are a complete moron. No offense, but you're a complete moron. I'm just being honest with you, you know? If you believe that ICT is going to win Robins Cup, you pretty much believe that Santa Claus is real and the Tooth Fairy is also real. So, just putting that out there. No offense. Hey, no offense, you know, but if you think ICT is going to win the Robins Cup, you are a complete and utter moron. So, again, no offense, but it's just, you know, it is the facts. And it's not even hating on ICT in general. It's just the fact of like, it's not going to happen. You know, he's talked about entering the Robins Cup for the last 5 years straight, and he's never done it, and he's only blown up accounts. So what's going to be different about next year? Nothing. I can see you losing 100,000. I cannot see myself losing 100,000. That you're like, literally, you're crazy. How stupid are you? Like, do you even have a brain? Like, are you brainless? Winning is doable. No, it's not. He's not going to win. ICT can't trade. He trades fucking demo accounts. You can't trade a demo account in the fucking Robins Cup. I don't like, why are people so clueless to this? God. He said he was going to beat Larry Williams' record of 11,000% return. Impossible. Tanja trades in the chat, everybody. Watch out. She's calling for 203s. The last time she called for a move down, the market went straight back up. So be careful. La 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 la. I'm just kidding. You know, it's just love. It's just love. It's just love. Now, I got a lot of respect for Tanya, by the way. I got a lot of respect for her. She's killing it. She's super solid trader. I would put Tanya up against any other day trader on YouTube other than me. Obviously, I would, you know, I would win clearly. But what was your full message? Read the whole message. Let me see. Thinking another dip to the 203s, then bounce back up. Well, looks like we just went up fucking 20 points since you said we were dipping to the 203s, Tanya. Tanya versus Tanya versus Tory trades, it would be the funniest shit like ever. I would say that Tanya trades could trade better than Tory with one hand behind her back, blindfolded. Blindfolded, she would still trade better than Tory trades. And that's not even me. That's not even me being mean. It's just the facts. All right. Blindfolded, she's trading better than Tory trades all day. I mean, I could literally train a chimpanzee to trade better than Tory trades. Maybe an orangutan. And again, no offense. You know, if I say no offense, then it's not really shit talking. You know, if I say Tory trades could not beat Tanya, no offense. Like, hey, it's just I'm saying no offense, right? Like, it's not really shit talking. You know. I'm pretty sure Tory Trade's uncle's fake. There's a big conspiracy going on right now. Big conspiracy out there in the trading world that Tory Trade's uncle is not real. What do you guys think? No one's ever seen him. Does he exist? Who is he? Where did he come from? Tory Trade's uncle's not real. No offense. All right. The NASDAQ here at another interesting spot. We're pushing up here again into the 30s. Can we go up here now is the question. Dollar straight down. The NASDAQ, the ES trying to push back up here. Where do we go from here? Nutty Bar versus Tory. Oh God. It would be Comedy Central. Yeah. And once again, the NASDAQ stuck here at the 30s. I was hoping we are going to get a better move here, but no better move. Just stuck. Market said we don't go nowhere, Patrick. We go market. I think the market, what it's telling me is that it's time to go to Chipotle. It's saying, Patrick, go to Chipotle. Go to Chipotle. Go to Chipotle. Secretly, it's telling me that. And I'm also thinking I might just put on 10 contracts, put my stop stuck in below the low of day, and let it ride to the 290s. I don't think that's a bad idea. 10 contracts here, put my stop below the low of day. YOLO. What do you think will make a market go up straight 7th day? Because shorts. That's why. Let me see if we get this test of like this level again. Let's just see. I mean, we're either gonna like pull back into this again. My girl Tanya calling the 203 level. See if it gets down there. Trust in the disciple of ICT. ICT disciples in the chat. You're in the wrong church. This is the Church of Patrick. Wrong church. Body. Insane clown trader. That is ICT. People thought it was Inner Circle Trader, but it's really the insane clown trader. I always imagine ICT Michael having a clown makeup on while he's trading, doing a live stream. I don't know why. It just seems funny. Think about that. Like, oh, I would imagine that, you know, him wearing a bright red wig and a clown nose. ICT lives in your head rent-free. Well, luckily for you, I got the biggest fucking head in town. I got a lot of people in my head for free. It's great. I actually make money talking about ICT on Twitter. So who's rent-free, okay? Clearly not me. Ain't nothing free around here. Do I just fucking go all in right here and just go to lunch and come back and sell at 90s? I don't know. Kind of looking like one of those days. Are you and Tanya dating for real? For real? We're internet wife and husband. We've never met in real life, but we got married over World of Warcraft. It was great. We had a beautiful ceremony. Yeah, really beautiful. All of our friends came. Did a little duel afterwards. Little went and raided some dungeons. She wore a beautiful dress. I wore my suit of armor. It was great. Actually, ICT officiated. He was there as well in his robe. Do I think the market's going to reverse on the downside in the power hour? Well, we got a long time till fucking power hour, so I don't think anything, to be honest. We got a long time before power hour, so that might be a little much. This thing just look how tight this thing's getting here on the 1 minute chart. There's a move coming, boys. Something's gonna happen here. Something's gonna happen. There is a move coming. In my desire, oh. Did I bend the knee to ask ICT to ask for her? No, we actually dueled. Me and ICT, we had a duel. Duel to the death. Death by duel. Clearly, you know, I've got bigger muscles. No problem there. Rolling them up like carpet. Well, the NASDAQ decided that it's going to go absolutely nowhere today. The ES also going to go nowhere. And I think it's time to go to Chipotle. 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. You guys, I'm going to do this for you. I'm going to walk away so that you guys get rich, okay? I'm going to walk away now, and the market's going to go up 100 points. Get ready for it. Obviously, not financial advice. Don't ever listen to me about anything other than a few things, but don't ever listen to me. Pretty much everything I say is very sarcastic. Trading is very difficult. You're probably going to lose all the money you ever have trying to be a day trader. There's the truth. You're not going to get rich. You're going to lose everything you've ever made. And one day you're going to hate me because you're going to say, well, Patrick, I tried to be a day trader because I watched your videos and then I lost everything. I was like, well, I told you so. Fuck. You know, I told you so. The dollar is pulling back here. The NASDAQ absolutely just going sideways here. I think I'm okay with just walking away, to be honest. This is not fun. $224, $225, stuck. Take a poll, up or down into lunch. I don't know. I think it's going to go up, but I mean, at what cost? At what cost of my sanity? Let's do a poll. Up or down here in the next hour. What do you guys think? Based on the poll is what I will do. I will go all in based on the poll. You guys tell me, up or down? 100% up. Okay, it's guaranteed. 69%, 70%, we're going up. Okay, I guess I'm going all in. You guys make me lose all my money, I'm going to be very upset. %67 voting for up, 33% voting down. So I guess I'm going all in long. All right. YOLO. YOLO. The chat's never wrong. I mean, the dollar is dumping here, so I like the I would rather be long than be short. So I'm not going to disagree with the chat, to be honest. So I'm all in long. See what happens. I'm actually going to walk away here. I'm serious. I'm going to walk away here. Leave it all in long and put my stop below the low of day. I think it will be, even if we chop some more, I don't fuck it. YOLO. I am long. I am long. Very long. I'm very, very long, actually. Like, very long. So, thanks, guys. It was a great day today. I appreciate everybody tuning in. Hopefully, I'm going to like you guys later on when this market goes up. If it doesn't go up, I'm going to hate all of you watching right now. So, you better pray that it goes up while I'm at lunch. I'm not even going to take my phone. I'm not going to check it. I'm going to come back and be up $10,000. So, thank you. Thank you for that. Oh God, I'm up. I'm up 1,000. What do I do? Take profit now? Nah. What's the risk? I'm risking 10,000 to make 10,000. 1 to 1, baby. Pretty good odds. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. The giveaway winner. Let's see the giveaway winner. I forgot to pick them. Let's pick them right now. If you're still watching, lucky for you, you're still watching. I'm literally long from 24, by the way. I said I was going all in. You guys told me, so. Don't say I never told you so. I got like 20 messages from people in China. Oh, fuck. How do I know if you're real or not? God, I'm gonna get scammed by these people. All right, the winner is... The winner is... I can't even fucking say that name. Are you kidding me? What the fuck? All right, are you ready for this? The name is Peek Seong Go. It's P-E-K-S-I-O-N-G-G-O-H. Peek Seong... Peck Seong Go. What the fuck? Peck Seong Go. You're the winner. I have no idea how to say that name. PepsiGo. PepsiGo. I think it says PepsiGo. I don't know. It's somebody won. Some lucky son of a gun. All right. We're still long from the chat. The chat told me to get long. I'm not lying to you guys. I am very much long here. I'll show you. You don't believe me. I am long here. So, YOLO. Let's see if it hits. We're all in. We're either going to make some money here or we're going to blow it up. Congratulations to the winners here. Big thanks to you guys tuning in today. And well, there it is. Up to the 40s now. Do I take profit now? Just walk away up? Or just let it go? For some reason, I feel like this thing wants to fucking squeeze, you know? Like, it just wants to go through the 50s. Test that 50 level at least. What do you think? Got up to a high earlier there of 45. So we got to get through 45, and then we got that 50s up there. The high from earlier was 57, so. YOLO. All right, I'm going to lunch. I'm just going to let it ride. Fuck it. Either going to be a nice payday or it's going to just be a red day. So, thank you guys for tuning in and watching, supporting the stream. It's always fun. We had a lot of fun today. I love you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for Turbo Tuesdays. We'll be back. Later.